Hey everyone, Andy here from Custom Carving UK. I just wanted to get in, do a quick video really, just to say thank you to everyone that has liked and subscribed to the channel. Got a notification this morning that we've gone over 100 subscribers, so hopefully that means that some of you at least are liking the content. So thank you very much for that. If you haven't already liked and subscribed to the channel, then please do so, but I'm really happy that we've gone over 100. Next target for me is let's get it to 1,000. When I started this channel, it was all about trying to spread the knowledge so that we all can learn on this carving journey together and keep carving. So what I'm going to do to celebrate is a bit of a giveaway. When I started, as I say, it's about getting more people into wood carving. I think it's very popular in different countries. I'm in the UK. I think it's starting to get a bit more popular there now. So I'm going to do a giveaway for anybody that's looking to get into carving but might not have the funds to get sort of a Dremel or a rotary tool straight away. I've got an Amtech mini engraver kit that I bought before I bought my Dremel. Never been used, still in the packet. Comes with 10 different diamond tip bits, and it goes up to 12,000 RPM, so that'll be all right for all your lightweight jobs. So if anybody knows anybody that is looking to get into carving but just hasn't got a rotary tool yet, please get them to like and subscribe to the channel and then put in the comments below. I'm happy to post it anywhere in the UK as well, just to get somebody into it. And let's keep on going on this journey together. The deadline I'm going to set is going to be the end of May. So if you can get anyone that's interested in the giveaway to basically just like, subscribe, and then put in the comments why they want to get into carving, then we'll go ahead and get that posted out to them. So once again, thanks for liking and subscribing to the channel. Let's keep it growing and let's keep carving. Thanks a lot, guys.